I am recording.
Okay.
Can you smooth the highway a bit?
Sure.
So it appears for me. Alright. Good enough.
Okay. Oh, this part's fucking destroyed.
Yeah, that was me trying to get it to appear. Okay, tell me when it's triggered.
Okay. Oh, no, it's not triggering. Oh.
It's gonna blow us both up.
Probably. No, it's not going. Hold on.
Oh, that looks dangerous.
No, it's not going. Maybe I'll try. Oh. Try strapping it to you. Face? Your face?
My face?
No. What the fuck?
Okay, I'm gonna try and trigger it.
Oh god. Yep, you did. You did.
Oh. Well, that's interesting. I survived.
What? No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
There's 2 X's over there.
Ugh. I don't know. Oh, no, I didn't. I just reappeared in the rover.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Got a pretty big chunk.
Ugh. Oh, more dynamite.
Why's the rover float?